Sign hunters, yes! You are watching the sign hunters. Sign hunters! You are watching the sign hunters. Sign hunters! You are watching the sign hunters. Sign hunters! Yes, you are watching the sign hunters. In between Polverbach and Rattling Hope, and I just stopped for a little snack because I just feel, you know, that I need some sugar. But then as I was sitting here, I saw that something is not right with the bike. I've just noticed these. Obviously I've let some air out now, so it's not bursting that much. But this one is meant to be one of Mavic's best training tires. Comes obviously with the wheel set. This is the second time I use this. So Mavic, this is quite disappointing, to be honest. I need some new tires now, and I need to go back home.